Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the ins and outs of investing in gold bars. Gold has long been a popular choice for investors looking to diversify their portfolios and hedge against economic uncertainty. But with so many different options out there, it can be difficult to know where to start. That's why we're here to help. When it comes to investing in gold, there are a few key things to consider. First and foremost, you want to make sure you're getting a good deal. Look for reputable dealers and compare prices to ensure you're getting a fair price. It's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with the current market price of gold, also known as the spot price, so you can accurately assess whether or not you're getting a good deal. Next, consider the size and weight of the gold bars you're interested in. Larger bars tend to have a lower premium, the cost above the gold spot price, making them a more cost-effective option. However, smaller bars and coins may be more easily traded and stored, so they could be a better choice depending on your needs. If you're looking to invest a large sum of money, larger bars may be the way to go, but if you're just starting out or want to have the ability to easily liquidate your investment, smaller bars or coins could be the better choice. It's also important to consider the purity of the gold you're buying. Most gold bars are at least 99.5% pure, but you can also find bars that are 99.9% pure or even higher. The higher the purity, the more expensive the bar will be, but it may also be more valuable in the long run. Purity is usually measured in carats, with 24 carats being the highest level of purity. It's worth noting that pure gold is too soft to be used in jewelry or other practical applications, so it's usually alloyed with other metals to give it strength and durability. When it comes to choosing a manufacturer, reputation is key. Look for well-known, established producers who have a track record of producing high-quality gold bars. It's also a good idea to check for any certifications or seals of approval, such as the London Bullion Market Association's Good Delivery Standard, which is a widely recognized benchmark for gold bars. In addition to these factors, there are a few other things to consider when investing in gold bars. One is the storage and insurance of your investment. If you're planning on storing your gold bars at home, you'll need to ensure that they are properly secured. It's also a good idea to consider purchasing insurance to protect your investment in the event of theft, loss, or damage. Another thing to think about is the potential for counterfeiting. While it's relatively rare, it's important to be aware of the possibility and take steps to protect yourself. One way to do this is by buying from reputable dealers and looking for authentic certifications or seals of approval. In summary, when investing in gold bars, be sure to consider the price, size and weight, purity, and reputation of the manufacturer. Take into account factors such as storage, insurance, and the potential for counterfeiting. By taking the time to do your research and carefully considering all of these factors, you can make an informed decision that will help you maximize your investment in gold. Thanks for watching.